Have you ever wondered how personalities like Mariusz Pudzianowski built his incredible strength and power? It's not just about talent, it's about the right kind of training. Whether you're looking to dominate on the field, lift like a beast, or simply feel unshakable strength in your everyday life, today's video is for you. I'm breaking down the 7 best strongman exercises you can add to your training to build unstoppable power and get stronger than ever. Let's dive in and unleash your inner athlete. Strongman exercises are the ultimate tests of raw strength, power, and endurance. These exercises mimic the kind of real-world, functional movements that require you to push, pull, lift, and carry heavy, awkward objects. Unlike traditional gym workouts, which often isolate muscle groups, strongman exercises train your entire body, challenging multiple muscle groups, your core, and even your mental grit all at once. Think of flipping tires, carrying heavy stones, dragging weighted sleds, or pressing logs overhead. These are movements that not only build brute strength, but also improve your athletic performance, stamina, and resilience. Whether you're a professional athlete or just someone who wants to be in the best shape of their life, strongman exercises are perfect for building a body that's powerful, balanced, and ready for anything life throws at you. Number 1 is the deadlift. Deadlifts are the ultimate display of raw power and one of the most effective exercises for total body strength. They target nearly every major muscle group, your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, traps, and core, making them essential for anyone looking to build strength and explosive power. Plus, they're incredibly practical. Anytime you lift something heavy off the ground, you're essentially performing a version of a deadlift. To set up, stand with your feet hip-width apart and position the barbell directly over the middle of your feet. Bend at your hips and knees to grip the bar with your hands just outside your knees. Keep your back straight, no rounding, and brace your core like you're about to take a hit. Push through your heels as you lift the bar, keeping it close to your body. Stand tall at the top with your chest up, shoulders back, and hips fully locked out. Lower the bar back down by hinging at your hips first, then bending your knees as it reaches the ground. Now let's talk about how strongmen like Mariusz Pudzianowski perform the deadlift. In true strongman style, Pudzianowski doesn't just focus on a standard deadlift. He incorporates heavy, high-rep sets and unconventional variations like lifting with thicker bars or lifting massive objects like stones and tires. His technique emphasizes brute strength and explosive power, often using mixed grip for better control and a wide stance for maximum stability. Unlike traditional deadlifters who focus purely on form and efficiency, strongmen often train for real-world functionality and raw power output, lifting in ways that replicate the unpredictable nature of strongman events. What makes deadlifts incredible is how much they build grip strength, a crucial component for anyone aiming to lift like a strongman. This grip strength, combined with the improved explosiveness and power, is why athletes from all disciplines rely on deadlifts to boost performance. Start light, nail your form, and remember, no rounding your back if you want to stay injury-free. Master the deadlift, and you'll not only feel unstoppable, you'll train like a true powerhouse. Number 2 is the farmer's carry. The farmer's carry is a cornerstone of strongman training, and no one embodies its power better than Mariusz Pudzianowski. As a 5-time world's strongest man, Pudzianowski made this deceptively simple exercise look like an art form. The farmer's carry is all about raw strength, grip, stability, and endurance, qualities Mariusz mastered to dominate strongman competitions. Picture this: Pudzianowski gripping massive farmer's handles, each loaded with hundreds of pounds, striding with laser focus across the competition floor. His chest is up, shoulders locked back, and every step is calculated, defying the weights trying to pull him off balance. This is where true strength meets precision. To perform the farmer's carry, like Mariusz, grab a heavy set of farmer's handles, dumbbells, or kettlebells in each hand. Stand tall, brace your core as if preparing for impact, and keep your shoulders pulled back and down. Begin walking in a straight line with controlled, deliberate steps, making sure to keep your posture steady and your core engaged. If the weights start to sway, fight to stay upright. This battle for stability is what makes the effect so effective. For distance, aim for 20 to 30 meters or a set time like 30 to 60 seconds, just like Pudzianowski would in strongman events. The beauty of the farmer's carry is how it challenges your entire body. It's a grip strength builder like no other, crucial for heavy lifts like deadlifts. It also hammers your core as your body constantly works to stabilize under the load. And let's not forget your shoulders, traps, and legs, all getting a brutal workout while you carry those weights. Beyond raw strength, it builds endurance and conditioning, a must for any strongman looking to dominate in events requiring sustained power. The farmer's carry is more than just carrying weights. It's a test of resilience, balance, and strength, the very qualities that define Mariusz Pudzianowski. Whether you're training to compete or just to get stronger, incorporating this movement into your routine will have you walking in the footsteps of a strongman legend. Number 3. The Atlas Stones. The Atlas Stones are the ultimate strongman challenge and one of the most iconic displays of raw power and determination. If you've ever seen Mariusz Pudzianowski in action, you know just how legendary this event can be. Hoisting massive round stones onto platforms isn't just about brute strength. It's a test of total body power, technique, and mental toughness. This exercise works nearly every muscle in your body, with a heavy focus on your back, glutes, hamstrings, arms, and core. It also pushes your grip strength and endurance to the limit, making it a favorite for strongmen like Pudzianowski, who dominated this event time and time again. To perform the Atlas Stone lift like a strongman, stand over the stone with your feet shoulder-width apart. Squat down and wrap your arms around the stone, hugging it tightly to your chest. Dig your fingers underneath for a firm grip and engage your entire body. Your legs, back, and core must work as one. Drive through your heels to lift the stone off the ground, keeping it close to your body. As it reaches knee height, reposition your hands to the underside. Lean back slightly and use your hips to explosively drive the stone upward. From there, place it onto a platform or over a bar, completing the lift with control and power. What makes the Atlas Stone so unique is their sheer awkwardness. Unlike a barbell or a dumbbell, the stone's round, unbalanced shape forces you to use real-world functional strength. It builds explosive power, grip endurance, and overall toughness, which translates to other lifts and activities. And let's not forget the mental aspects. It's you versus the stone, and there's no faking it. For anyone serious about building primal functional strength, the Atlas Stones are a must. But be prepared, this lift will push your limits in every way possible. Channel your inner strongman, embrace the challenge, and see what you're made of. Number 4 is the sandbag carry. The sandbag carry is one of the most functional and practical strongman exercises you can add to your training. It's as simple as picking up a heavy sandbag and walking with it. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This exercise is a full-body powerhouse. It works your legs, core, back, arms, and even your cardio, all while building the kind of strength you need for real-life challenges. To perform it, start by standing over the sandbag. Squat down, grab the bag, and hug it tightly to your chest. If it's super heavy, you might need to lap it first, lifting it to your knees and then repositioning it before standing up. Once you've secured the bag, stand tall, brace your core, and start walking. Keep your steps steady and controlled, and don't let the weight pull you forward or to the side. Walk for a set distance or time, then set the bag down carefully. The beauty of the sandbag carry is its versatility. It strengthens your grip, builds a rock-solid core, and improves your overall stability. Plus, because sandbags are unstable and shift as you move, they force your body to adapt, which makes this exercise even more effective. Whether you're training for strongman competitions, improving athletic performance, or just building functional strength, the sandbag carry is a killer addition to your routine. It's raw, gritty, and guaranteed to leave you feeling tougher and stronger after every session. Number 5 is the squat. The squat is a foundational movement in strongman training, and no one embodies its power better than Mariusz Pudzianowski. Known for his legendary strength and explosive power, Pudzianowski has relied on the squat to build the incredible lower body strength that helped him dominate the world's strongest man competitions. Whether he was shouldering Atlas stones or powering through truck pulls, his squat training laid the foundation for his unmatched performance. To squat like Pudzianowski, start with your feet shoulder-width apart and your toes slightly turned out for stability. If using a barbell, position it securely across your upper back, never on your neck, and grip it firmly, keeping your elbows slightly pointed downwards. Before descending, brace your core like you're preparing to lift a car, because in strongman you just might. As you lower into the squat, push your hips back and down as if sitting into an invisible chair. Keep your chest up, your back straight, and ensure your knees track over your toes. For strongman style training, go deep. Aim for your thighs to go below parallel, as this builds the kind of power needed to dominate heavy lifts. Then drive through your heels, engage your glutes, and explode back to a standing position, just like Pudzianowski would. For Pudzianowski, squats weren't just about building massive quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They were about creating total body stability and explosive strength. Squats also strengthened his core and back, giving him the balance and power to excel in events like the Conan's wheel and yoke carry. On top of that, squats helped improve his mobility and endurance, making him a versatile competitor who could handle the grueling demands of strongman competitions. If you're looking to train like Pudzianowski, don't treat the squat as just a leg exercise. It's the foundation for building raw power, resilience, and mental grit. Whether you're lifting for strength, athleticism, or functional power, squatting with the focus and intensity of a strongman legend like Pudzianowski will take your performance to the next level. Number 6. Sled push and pull. The sled push and pull is one of the most versatile and powerful exercises in strongman training. And for legends like Mariusz Pudzianowski, it's a game changer. This exercise mimics real-world challenges, like pushing heavy bolts or dragging immense loads, a staple in Pudzianowski's incredible strongman career. Whether he's powering through sled drills or hauling boats in a strongman event, this movement is key to his explosive power and unrelenting stamina. To perform a sled push, start by loading the sled with a weight that challenges your strength. Get into a low athletic stance with your hands, gripping the sled handles, arms fully extended, and your core braced tightly. With your back flat and your hips low, drive forward through the balls of your feet, pushing the sled with powerful, steady strides. For sled pulls, attach a rope or straps to the sled. For a backward drag, face away from the sled, squat low, and drive through your heels as you pull it in a controlled motion. For a forward pull, face the sled and use your legs and arms to generate power, pulling explosively while staying stable. For Pudzianowski, sled work directly translates to his iconic boat-pulling feats. The sled push replicates the raw lower body power and endurance required to push massive boats or objects forward, while sled pulls develop the back, arms, and grip strength needed to haul them into position. These movements also condition his cardiovascular system, ensuring he has the stamina to sustain effort in long, grueling events. The benefits of sled training go beyond just brute strength. Sled pushes and pulls build explosive leg power, core stability, and upper body strength. They improve coordination and stamina, making them perfect for athletes like Pudzianowski, who dominate both strength and endurance events. Plus, the low-impact nature of sled training means it's easy on the joints, allowing for consistent, high-intensity sessions without overtraining. If you want to train like Pudzianowski and develop the kind of strength needed to move mountains or boats, sled pushes and pulls are non-negotiable. Add them to your routine to build unstoppable power, endurance, and the mental toughness to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Number 7 is the log press. The log press is one of the most iconic strongman exercises, and for a powerhouse like Mariusz Pudzianowski, it's a testament to both brute strength and technical mastery. Known for his incredible overhead pressing power, he has repeatedly showcased his ability to hoist massive logs above his head, a feat that demands explosive strength, balance, and determination. It's no wonder this lift is a staple in strongman competitions, and a signature move of champions like him. To perform the log press like Mariusz, start with the log on the ground in front of you. Position your feet shoulder-width apart and squat down to grab the handles firmly. Engage your core and use a powerful, clean motion to pull the log to your chest, driving through your legs and hips to generate force. Once the log is at your chest, brace tightly to stabilize it. This is where Pudzianowski's incredible core and back strength come into play. From there, drive through your legs and press the log overhead in a smooth, controlled motion, fully locking out your arms. Return the log to your chest carefully, keeping control before attempting the next rep. For Mariusz, the log press isn't just about strength, it's about versatility and dominance. The movement builds unparalleled shoulder, triceps, and upper chest power, while also engaging the legs and core for balance and support. This kind of strength directly translates to strongman events like lifting Atlas stones, flipping tires, or even pushing cars. The log's bulky, awkward shape makes it a perfect challenge for developing real-world functional power, something Pudzianowski excels at. Beyond strength, the log press trains explosive power, stability, and endurance, all key attributes for a strongman legend like Mariusz. His ability to lift and press awkward, heavy objects overhead with ease has been pivotal in securing his countless strongman titles. This exercise also mimics real-world challenges, from lifting heavy beams to dominating other overhead events, making it essential for anyone looking to emulate his strength and dominance. If you want to train like Mariusz Pudzianowski and develop the kind of raw power needed to excel in strongman events, the log press is a must. It's a true test of total body strength and a move that will push you to your limits, just as it has for one of the greatest strongmen of all time. And that's a wrap on the 7 best strongman exercises you can add to your training, whether you're aiming for raw strength, improved athletic performance, or just looking to challenge yourself in new ways. These movements will definitely push you to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more strength building tips and workouts. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own training experience. Thanks for watching, and keep lifting like a champion.